Ready for your next rewards card? Applying for a Chase credit card online is a quick process, but a little preparation can make it even smoother. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Start by visiting the Chase website or using their mobile app. Browse their credit cards and select the one you want, like the Freedom Unlimited or Sapphire Preferred. Click Apply Now. You'll fill out an application with your personal details: name, address, social security number, annual income, and housing payment. Be accurate and use your legal name as it appears on official documents. Submit the application, and you'll often get a decision within 60 seconds. My crucial pro tip: check your credit profile first. Before you apply, use a free service like Chase Credit Journey to see your score and report. Make sure there are no surprises. Applying when your score is in good shape and you haven't opened several other cards recently significantly increases your chances of approval. Turn a few minutes of filling out a form into a powerful new financial tool. What Chase card is at the top of your wish list right now? Let me know in the comments. For more clear financial guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.